Hello guys, this is Jeffrey. I am the Art Panda. Today I will go ahead and do a quick painting or watercolor painting of an owl. So stay tuned and see what I will do today. So this is now the artwork that I've done today, quickly. So took me around 30 minutes for this one. I have applied simple techniques like the wet on wet technique, glazing, and the layering technique that I've always been using. I normally start from the head to the tail, so I start with the eyes, and the feathers are the eyes. Of course, for those areas that are white, you don't have to paint that, just leave it like blank, because we want to make it appear like it's white. And then you are now going to the feathers, going down to the wings. So the real reference photo here, it actually has just a brown feather, but I try to put a twist on it by adding some reds. And for it to be able to put some color on top of each layer, you just have to wait for a few minutes or a few seconds to have it dry, and then add some more paint on top of it. Remember guys, patience is a key. And be imaginative and add some twist to your artwork, especially if you're looking at the reference photo. And most of the time I start from my background, but now I'll be doing the background at the latter part of the process. So just use some greens, yellows to make it appear like it's the trees around it. So I'm done, and this is how I did my quick painting. Let me just show you my palette. So this is how it looks like. So when you open it, there's the other side where you can actually do the mixing. So all the watercolor paints that I have is actually from Daniel Smith, and I like how it shows in my output and the vibrant colors they have. And this is my favorite watercolor paints by far. And these are the brushes. First, this is the Skoda number 12, Skoda Aquario. It's been a while that I have used this brush, and now I'm using it again for this artwork. And then I got a free brush from the Rembrandt watercolor set. So just use it for some details. So that's it. Let me just show you some of the brushes that I have. I actually had a lot before, but I have given those to my friends. But right now, these are the ones that I have been using, and I think that fit my styles. So that's it guys. I hope you've learned something today. Again, this is Jeffrey. I am an artist and I do watercolor and digital art. So feel free to say hi, or if you have questions, just comment down below, or follow me on my social media accounts. Till my next vlog. Bye!